OnePlus 11 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is up to 35% faster and up to 40% more power efficient than its predecessor. Whether it's multitasking through apps, watching content or gaming, this smartphone can handle it all with ease. Supported by hardware-accelerated ray tracing, experience best-in-class lighting, shadows and illumination, which overall offers astonishing visuals while gaming. Experience exceptional performance like never before on the OnePlus 11. The smartphone comes in two variants, 8GB RAM and a massive 16GB RAM option. Become a multitasking champion with the OnePlus 11 as you can seamlessly switch through up to 44 apps at the same time without any lag. A layer of improved efficiency is added by the exclusive RAM Vita technology. This in-house machine learning automation feature allocates RAM to different tasks depending on your priority. OnePlus 11 brings to you the third generation Hasselblad camera setup with enhanced capabilities. It features a well-rounded 50 megapixel IMX890 primary camera with OIS, 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor and a 32 megapixel portrait telelens supported by Hasselblad portrait mode. With its inbuilt natural color calibration feature, elevate your photographs by capturing up to 1.07 billion colors. Capture amazing low light, portrait and ultra-wide photographs with this camera setup. Full marks to OnePlus for this impressive camera setup as you get sharper and brighter images equivalent to DSLR cameras. The OnePlus 11 boasts of dual reality speakers with Dolby Atmos support. This feature is usually available in premium laptops and is now in your smartphone. Enjoy music with the right depth, good bass and clarity, which will surely enhance your content viewing experience. Let's move on to the feature that levels up your experience multifold, the display. OnePlus 11 features a 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz Super Fluid AMOLED display. With LTPO 3.0 and Dolby Vision support, consuming video content or playing high-end graphic games will be simply spectacular. The OnePlus 11 comes with a brand new Cryo Velocity VC cooling system. This ensures you achieve peak performance along with a smooth gaming experience without any system stutter or overheating. To sum it up, OnePlus 11 is a high-quality, stylish and power-packed smartphone, offering users powerful performance via its best-in-class processor, impressive RAM management, brilliant camera, superb audio support and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands up on a OnePlus 11. Thank you so much.